My daughter was telling me about the videos she watches with her friends, and then I asked her, why don't they watch any of my content? She replied, because it doesn't show up on the YouTube Kids app. Well, wasn't expecting her answer to make that much sense. So, this is my video for kids. Let's learn how to make slime with a recipe I plagiarized from the internet.
The ingredient list is real simple. It's mostly glue and water. Correction, hot water. The last part is a detergent called Borax.
You ever heard of this stuff? I haven't. When I first read their ingredient list, I thought it sounded like that movie. You know, very nice. Oh wait, the movie wasn't appropriate for kids. Yeah, and they made that follow-up movie called Bruno. But according to Encanto, we don't talk about Bruno, no.
You'll need half a cup of glue. Ooh, looks weird in that Pyrex. 1 teaspoon of borax, not to be confused with tablespoon or 10 square pounds. 2 separate half cups of tongue-burning water. Also include food coloring to customize the color, and 2 medium bowls for combining ingredients. First, put down a towel as a precaution for spills. And like my towel? I know, kids love dinosaurs. Thoroughly mix the borax and half a cup of water in one of the bowls. The water needs to be warm for the borax to completely dissolve. Next, combine the glue with the other half cup of water. Be sure to stir up the glue from the bottom, or you'll be left with a watery mess and brittle slime in the end. Now is also the time to add coloring. A few drops of red mixed with the overwhelming power of white glue will result in a pink mixture. Now, slowly, stirring as you go, add the borax water to the glue bowl. You will instantly see a result as the glue gets less watery and more malleable. By the time you get done mixing the borax and sweeping up all the remaining glue, you will have slime.
Wow, this slime was incredibly easy and fast. Now let me explain the science behind it. I don't know. To make the color of slime you want, please refer to the color wheel you made in preschool. It's not that hard.
For example, to get purple, mix together red and blue. Whoa, check it out. Red, white, and blue. America. Ooh, better cut that song off real fast.
Now that you have your slime, there are some precautions you should take for the continued use of the slime.
Keep away from pets.
Oh no! It's covered in dog hair!
Be careful when playing outside.
Oh no! Tread marks!
Do not expose to an open flame.
Oh no! Store it properly in a plastic container or a freezer bag so you can have clean, healthy fun with your toxic slime in the future. This concludes my video for kids.